For a new prepaid meter that you're unable to recharge, or you are using your prepaid meter before you're unable to recharge due to the cost that you've not linked your NIN to your prepaid meter. So this is how to link your NIN to your prepaid meter. Firstly, you go to smart.kyc.ikejaelectric, smart.kyc.ikejaelectric. So it will bring you to this page and see Smart KYC Electric. So you see link your NIN and meter. Let me zoom it. Link your NIN and meter. When you click on link your NIN and meter, take you to the next page where you see link your NIN and meter, not login. Link your NIN and meter. So you click on this, take you to the page where you link your NIN and prepaid meter. We have two categories of people to link NIN and meter: the user of the meter and the landlord. The essence of the landlord is that a landlord can link multiple meters to NIN, but a user cannot link more than one NIN to a prepaid meter, because once you link one as a user, you can't link another one. Just a landlord can link multiple NIN. So if you are the landlord, you click on the icon landlord. Is there? You are the landlord. Are you the landlord? Click on the icon. And if you are not the landlord, just click on, you will not click on the landlord. So if you are the landlord, you click on the icon landlord. Okay, the first thing is, after you click on the are you the landlord? Yes, because we are linking the landlord NIN to this meter. So you input the NIN number. The NIN number, is 55 070 32 So a code, once you input a code will be sent to the NIN. So we are awaiting the code. So once you input the NIN, so an OTP code will be sent to the number registered with the NIN. So after inputting the OTP code, you now input the current phone number which it has popped up, and if that is the same number you are still using, you input the same number there in the next page. The phone number registered on NIN, once you input the OTP, the number will pop up automatically. Then if you are still using that same phone number, you put it, or if you have another number you want to input, you add another number. Then you go to the next page where it will ask you of the full information of the person. Then go to the next. So you enter email address, your current email address. So after inputting email address, then you go to the next page. So you input, another code will be sent to you again. After you've submitted, then a code will be sent to the email address or the phone number. So you input the code and the meter number again. You input the code and the meter number. So after receiving the new, it will bring verification code sent to your email and phone number. So another verification code will be sent. Then after which you input your meter number that you want to link. Then my meter number 0238. Then you input the code you receive. Then you click on submit. So once you input the meter number and the code, then it will come to the next page, which is, you can see your NI meter number link successfully updated.